Hi, I'm Jeremy, a master installer with Window Nation. Since the performance of a window is only as good as the materials used, Window Nation carefully selected all of the materials incorporated into every window we install. Let's learn more. When it comes to your windows, sealant is the first line of defense against the elements. After months of researching over 20 different sealants, we selected QuadMax interior and exterior sealant for your window installation. In the field, QuadMax outperforms the other sealant offered on the market. It adheres to wood, vinyl, fiberglass, and metal. It's 5 times more flexible than the other silicone caulk. And it can be applied to temperatures from 0 degrees to 140 degrees and on wet surfaces with a 24-hour fast cure. It doesn't just make life easier for installers. It protects your investment in replacement windows. QuadMax is UV resistant and bubble resistant. It also resists dirt and dust. This means that the seal around your windows keeps out the elements better and longer than normal caulk. And it looks cleaner and nicer for the long term. We know you'll appreciate the difference. When your new replacement windows are placed in the window opening, there will be a small void for expansion and contraction. Our factory-trained installers will carefully insert a low expansion foam to provide the maximum insulation for the void around the opening. Let's learn more about why this insulating foam is the best in the industry. You'll see some window companies filling the gap around the window with fiberglass insulation. You know, the pink stuff that rolls out in a sheet. However, this is not the best choice for windows. It's an air filter rather than a barrier. It allows air to travel through it. We use a quick-setting, low-pressure, low-expansion insulation that is applied similar to caulk called Quad Foam. It's made by the same family who makes the sealant we use. Higher expansion insulations can expand too much and warp your windows or doors. You'll notice that it also has a flexible texture. This means that it won't crack or dry out. The insulation we use has a closed cell structure, which means no air or water will pass through. And the insulation will not retain moisture. It's so effective at blocking air that it has an R5 per inch rating. The R value is an industry measure of the thermal transfer, and R5 is the best for replacement windows. Quad Foam helps you realize the full energy savings potential of your new windows. It's one of the materials that helps set us apart from other replacement window companies. Think about it. How many times have you seen window trim spoil the look of windows? There are so many things that could go wrong. PVC-coated trim can scratch, peel, and gather dirt in crevices. Aluminum can fade or chalk just like aluminum siding. At Window Nation, we use trim that prevents these problems and wears beautifully for years. We use Nomar QE5000 high-performance trim coil. Window Nation selected this trim specifically because of its superior performance. It has UV protection and is scratch resistant. It also has stain inhibitors that keep sap, dirt, and mold off of the trim. Additionally, it has a brushed coating that is easy to clean. This all means that the trim keeps its brand new look for years beyond other common trim materials. We take pride in the commitment in the materials we use because we know that you take pride in your home. Let's face it, you're replacing your old windows for a reason. Maybe they were drafty and causing high energy bills, or maybe they were leaking during heavy rain. The lack of a tight seal is the perfect breeding ground for mold. Let's look at what Window Nation does to prevent future mold growth during a replacement window installation. When we install new windows in your home, we remove the old ones and set the new ones in the existing opening. However, all of those years of drafts and moisture coming through the window may have promoted mold growth. We apply concrobium mold spray around the opening to kill any mold that is there and prevent future mold. This creates an invisible antimicrobial shield. Not only does it get the job done, but we feel good about how it does it. Window Nation uses this spray both for its effectiveness and its safety for your family and the environment. It eliminates musty odors and it protects your windows without harmful chemicals such as bleach, ammonia, or VOCs. The precise fit of our windows and the microbial shield we apply will keep your windows mold-free for years to come. Using only the best installation materials costs more upfront, but the savings are clear over time. Energy costs are lower, your windows are beautiful and effective longer. At Window Nation, we believe that doing a job right the first time is worth the extra effort for us and for you.